Hi guys, this is Hinu Sharma and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I have shared the current scenario of Chandigarh University. So let's go.
So auto rickshaw is one of the favorite source of transport to reach the Chandigarh University, and you need to pay 20 rupees from Kharar to CU. So here is the gate number 1 and you can see guards are here to welcome you. Firstly they will check your eye cards and they will allow you to enter into the CU. Also in gate number 1 the medical team will check your medical state and they will provide you a slip to visit the campus. Two cafes are there in the beginning point of CU, that is Nescafe and Rasna Bus. So if you want to take some coffee or drinks you can visit here. Furthermore, transport facilities are here to visit the campus, but it is very rare to find them. I think I am lucky as I got the ferry. So here is a view of block number 1 and block number 2. Block number 2 is for hotel management department, and one more eating point is here, that is the Corner Cafe, and the Corner Cafe is famous for their Chinese food. So here is a block number 3. UITTR department is here, and furthermore Department of Civil Engineering is here. Account section is also here in this department. So here is the DSW department. If you have any query related to academics or hostel you can visit here. So here is a view of block number 3A. UCRD department is here, Department of Biotechnology is here, Department of Chemical Engineering is here. So here are so many blocks or so many departments in block number 3A. Just opposite to the block number 3A, the lawn area is so beautiful to explore. So many food courts are here in front of block number 3A, and as you can see that these are closed because of the lockdown. So let's move towards the south campus. On the way to the south campus, Herbal Garden is here. Here is the LC hostel for boys. South campus is famous for its beauty and for its food shops. So here is the south campus and so many departments, so many blocks are here. This is a view of Govind Hostel, and as you can see construction is going on. Here is a Sachdeva Hostel for girls, one of the best hostel for girls. This is the medical or dispensary area of Chandigarh University. Surrounding is so calm and peaceful. Department of Optometry is also here in this block. Let's move to the another part of campus. This is a basketball area. Mostly sports students used to spend their time here. In the opposite of basketball court, open ground is here. SBI ATM and J&K Bank ATM is also here. Here is a building of block number 4. All the fests or functions of Chandigarh University are organized here. Here is a view of block number 4, block number 5 and block number 6. This is one of the favorite place for Chandigarh University students and also for faculties. Food Republic is here, which includes Subway, Domino's. Due to the lockdown, Food Republic is closed, but for now Samosa Express is open, which is famous for its shakes, samosa. Also, Samosa Express is famous for its burgers and cheese sandwiches. So overall, Samosa Express is famous for everything they make. Here is a view of block number 7. So here is one more favorite place of every member of Chandigarh University. I think everybody used to click the photographs in this point. The nearby area is so beautiful to explore. One more favorite place of Chandigarh University students, that is Fountain area. Students are used to spend their time in this area. Another basketball court is here. Mostly hostlers used to spend their time, mostly hostlers used to play here. This is a view of block number 9. In Chandigarh University, totally 3 banks and 3 ATMs are here. Here is one of the oldest hostel of Chandigarh University for girls, Sukhna Hostel. You can also see the beauty of Chandigarh University in night time. After the heavy rainfall at Chandigarh University, you can see that how beautiful Chandigarh University is looking in night time. So this was a little tour of CU.
आई होप आप सबको मेरा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो। आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में अपने कमेंट शेयर कर सकते हैं। And don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.